organize it. Always in Tom Yum Goong. No, lemongrass. This one. This is the lemongrass, but this is in English. Kaffir lime leaf. Kaffir lime leaf. Kaffir lime leaf. ，Smell it. In English, galanga or Thai ginger. Today, this one will be in curry paste. Eggplant. Yeah, but big purple eggplant. This is also eggplant. In green curry, in red curry, eggplant. It's a different variety, different kind. A lot. This is little. Like a lot. We talk about 4 or 5 big branches, no? This branch is good, but it needs more, 5 to 10. And you organize it. Don't mix it up, okay? I'm a strip teacher. Hey, you're good. Your basket have a lot of things. You even pick up my baby tomato. You give my tomato myself. Okay, so more Thai basil, please. Now, quick, it's hot. We have a lot of things to do. Okay. Glass noodle in. Glass noodle in, and a little bit of water. If you want to try, you can.
Water.
Tasty? Is it bad? Or is it good? Is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it good tasty?
Yeah.
Not too bad.